Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by locking your shape. Set a 4-2-3-1 or 4-4-2 and tell players their exact zones. Once done, assign a reliable CDM to patrol channels and intercept passing lanes so you limit through balls and crosses. Make sure the back four hold a compact 20-25 meter block to reduce space between midfield and defense. You'll press selectively, not constantly. This prevents gaps. Practice the formation in drills until positioning becomes automatic and reactions tighten up. You now refine decision-making under pressure. Emphasize jockeying and delaying an attacker to make play predictable rather than diving into tackles. Once the defender delays, teammates shift to cut passing lanes, so the opponent must play sideways. Make sure you have clear switching triggers. Track the ball near touch lines or pick up the striker making a back post run. Use measured pressing, only engage on a poor first touch, a heavy touch, or when the ball is isolated, so you avoid leaving holes. You finish by tightening transitions and set pieces. Practice zonal marking for corners and switch to man mark when a single player causes problems. Once done, instruct fullbacks to rotate less and prioritize defensive positioning during counterattacks so you don't get exposed on the flanks. Make substitutions that restore balance, a fresh CDM, or a disciplined center back. If conceding persists, simplify roles, reduce pressing triggers, and increase vocal communication. This troubleshooting
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.